guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the my canal. So today I'm here to do a quick get ready with me makeup look tutorial. Just a really simple, nice makeup look tutorial. I'm going for like an orange eye, and then I want to have like this sun-kissed glow makeup look tutorial with an orange eye. I've already done my eyebrow. I used the LA Girl brow kits to do my eyebrow, and I used the Makeup Revolution concealer. I use the C14 and C13 to cut my eyebrow, and I also use the W7 highlighter. I use these two colors here to kind of highlight my eyebrow before I start. I've already primed my face. I use the City Color face primer, and I'm going to use the palette I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this palette, and then I've already primed my eyes. I use the Makeup Revolution. I use the LA Girl banana powder to set. So let's jump into the tutorial. And before we jump into the tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you guys like my makeup looks, and don't forget to press on that notification button for you can keep updates on all of my videos. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for more pictures. So now that I've already primed my eyes, I've already done my eyebrow, so let's just jump. I'm going to take a brown shadow. I'm just going to take this like this. I'm going to start with this color here. I don't know if you guys can see this color here is already broken. It's like orange, but like a little bit darker. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna use that to transition. So yeah, you guys can see it's a little bit, it's an orange, but it's not that bright. So just gonna blend that all the way. Try to bring it a little bit on the eyebrow, but don't bring it all the way where you put the highlighter. Blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna do the same thing on this other eyes. Now you're just going to blend that really good, and after that you're going to take a cleaner brush, and then we're going to take this brown. Okay, I'm going to try to show you guys. I'm going to take this color here like this. Yeah, that is what I'm going to take, and then put it like underneath here. So now what you're going to do, you're going to take a much more darker brown. So we're going to take this shade here, this dark one. It's already gone, but I'm going to try to like dip my brush in it. You're going to use that same brush, and then we're just going to like blend this on the outer corner like here. like that. So now that we have done that, and now you're going to take another brush and take any orange of your choice. I'm going to take this bright orange here. That is what I'm going to take. The orange is very pigment. You guys can see it is. This is why I like using the NYX jumbo pencil, really, because it just makes the orange really pigment. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna use that same brush to like kind of blend like here the line, so that it doesn't have that like like sharpness. You're just gonna like blend it, like transition. Gonna do the same thing here. Apply the orange on top. You're going to take this brush you use for that brown, and you're just gonna like blend it to get the to get rid of the harsh line between the orange and the brown. I'm going to take the first brush that I used to transition, and I'm just going to blend everything. Now we're done with the eyes. I'm going to take my Be Creative foundation in 009. I'm going to use this to, I'm going to apply this on my face. I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer in C13. I'm going to use that to highlight. So now that we have done that, I'm going to take my LA Girl banana powder mixed with the black ochre setting powder. I'm going to use that to set my face. Brush. I'm gonna take this brown mixed with some orange, and I'm just gonna put it on my lower eyes. Just gonna take the brown powder, and I'm going to set my face. I'm going to take the Ellie Girl contour powder in deep, and I'm going to use this to contour. I'm going to do powder contour. Contour kit. I'm going to take this dark brown here to contour my nose because it's a little bit lighter than the Ellie Girl palette. The Ellie Girl palette is way too dark to contour your nose with. My blush, I'm going to take this Maybelline Master Blush palette. I'm going to take this color here, just a little bit. That's it. Not really much, just a little bit. So now that is done, what we're going to do now, I'm going to take my lip liner. I'm going to use the Black Opera lip liner, and I'm going to use the sleek lipstick. NYX. I don't know, the word between NYX and sleek just always get me. NYX lipstick. First, I'm going to line my lip. I always get confused when I said sleek or NYX. I don't know why. So now we're going to do the highlighter. I'm going to take my 7 highlighter, and I'm going to use this to highlight my face. The first, I'm going to take this small brush and I'm gonna put the highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. You guys know the shade. I go between these three shades like this. I don't really care for this yellow that much. I go between these three shades so you guys know what I'm going for. My eyes is done. I'm going to take my brush. Just gonna bring it a little bit here, like where the sun hits. I like this W7 highlighter, guys. Like, I am in love with this highlighter. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and get the bridge of my nose. You just want to glow. We just want to glow, 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 glow. Just so I'm done. So I'm going to set my face once more again, and then I'll be back. So this is the finished result. Tell me, what do you guys think? If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I really like the eyes. This is the eyes. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram for more pictures. I'll put all the links below. This is your girl Amy. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram en op mijn Facebook pagina. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg! Bye!